Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Betterment for Business, full guide step by step clearly. To budget with Betterment for Business, start by signing up for an account. Visit the Betterment for Business website and select Get Started. Fill in the required information to create your business account. Verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Budgeting Tools section. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard to understand its layout. Begin by setting financial goals for your business. Identify short-term and long-term goals. Define specific monetary amounts for each goal. Next, analyze your current financial situation. Review your income streams and expenses clearly. Use the data to determine your average monthly income. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. This will help you see where you can adjust your spending. Create your budget by listing all income sources first. Allocate funds to essential expenses such as rent and utilities. Next, distribute remaining funds towards variable expenses and savings. Be sure to consider an emergency fund in your budget. Review the allocation periodically to ensure it aligns with your goals. Adjust your budget as your business circumstances change. Use the Betterment investment tools to manage excess funds. Investing can help your business grow over time. Monitor your budget consistently through the Betterment platform. Use available reports to track your financial progress. This will give you insights and allow for better decision-making. Lastly, take advantage of any educational resources Betterment offers. Stay informed about budgeting strategies and investment options. This knowledge will empower you to make sound financial choices for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.